it's Hannah with WTI, and if you're looking to add a great stable piece to your wardrobe, this skirt from Scarlet Darkness is going to be perfect for you.
I could probably sum up the best part of this skirt in one word, and that is pockets. But there are so many other features to it that are incredible. It is this really unique, vintage, Renaissance fair type style, and I am just in love with the cut and design of it. It has a really comfortable, stretchy waist with a drawstring, so you can have it nice and loose or tightened to whatever your comfort is. I got mine in a size large, and I would say that it is definitely true to size. And it is so easy to wash and iron. I absolutely have loved styling this skirt with different tops. I loved that I could wear it really dressy, or I could pair it with a t shirt and a jean jacket. And like I said, it has pockets, so it is absolutely my new favorite skirt to wear out.
Not only is this skirt so comfy, looks cute with everything, it has pockets. It is really just the most perfect thing to add to your wardrobe. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.